In this video, we will give an introduction into our Flash Center software and demonstrate how to easily add a memory device that is not natively supported in the parts library with just a few easy steps. TotalPhase's Flash Center software allows engineers to quickly erase, program, and verify I2C and SPI-based EEPROM and flash memory chips using our host adapter products, such as the Premier Serial Platform, the Aardvark I2C SPI host adapter, and the Cheetah SPI host adapter. The Cheetah SPI host adapter is specifically designed to communicate with high-speed SPI-based flash memory at up to 40 plus megahertz, while the Premier Serial Platform supports I2C bit rates up to 3.4 megahertz and SPI bit rates up to 80 megahertz with options for dual and quad SPI programming. Our Flash Center software is the ideal tool for memory programming as it offers the ability to easily read, program, verify, and erase memory devices, supports gang programming to program multiple memory devices simultaneously, and offers extensive built-in memory device support. The software natively supports hundreds of commonly used memory chips from manufacturers such as Atmel, Micronics, Microchip, and Intel. It also offers the option to add additional parts to the XML-based parts library. Let's review the steps on how to add a new part to the software. To add a new device, we first need to define the parts parameters in an XML file. The easiest way to do this is by starting with the similar pre-existing XML parts file from the Flash Center software directory and making the necessary edits for our new part. Open the parts file, which is located in the downloaded Flash Center software folder. Next, scroll through the available files and choose the part file that most closely resembles the new part that you intend to add. For this demonstration, we will be using the STI-I2C file to add an MR24MO2-R EEPROM part. Open your selected XML file in a text editor. From here, you can edit the part file to include the specs of the new device you are adding. As you can see here, we are adding the device version, device name, description, and capacity. Save the new XML part file. This new XML file can now be loaded into the Flash Center software parts library. There are two methods that can be used, and both are simple to execute. For the first method, click on the Operations tab located on the top left-hand side of the screen. Next, select the Choose Target button. A pop-up window will appear with all the supported memory devices listed. Click the Load Part File button that is located along the bottom of this window. Now upload the custom part file by selecting the file and clicking the Open button. The memory device has now been added and is ready to be used with the Flash Center software. The second method involves adding the XML file into the Flash Center software parts directory. This directory can be found in the installation folder. When the software is launched, it automatically loads all of the files in the parts directory that have the .xml file extension. For this method, open the downloaded file for the Flash Center software and choose the parts folder. Then add the new part file into the folder. Now, the next time the software launches, the newly added part will be included in the list of available memory devices. The new part is now seamlessly integrated into the parts library and available for programming in the Choose Target Device window. Thank you for following along with us as we demonstrated how to easily extend the part file library of the Flash Center software. As you can see, it is a simple task to add new memory devices to support your specific project requirements. For more information on this software or other related tools, please visit us online at www.totalphase.com.